Alright guys, go ahead and do this Blizzard Boss. Good luck. Got 8 of you, 1 through 8. Got it down here too. Let's go ahead and start. It says 8:45, but as you saw, it just switched to 8:46. There's your proof. Larry with 1, Matt with 2. The 20 went for another waffle. Max has 3, and the other 2 have, Jesse and Billy have 1 each. Alright, random.org we go. Good luck, everybody. Here's a refresh, security, details. Let's go ahead and check out that certificate. Alright, we're going to refresh, and we're going to get a winner. 1 through 8. Good luck. And the winner is number 7. Lucky number 7, taking it home. Who will that be? Currently at 8:46. Number 7 is your winner. 7 is Max. Congratulations, sir. You are the winner. Winning timestamp. It's 8:47. 8:47. Thanks, everybody.